Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a school account on Windows 11. First, open your computer's settings application. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then selecting the gear icon. Once in Settings, navigate to the Account section, which is typically found on the left-hand side menu. From there, choose Access Work or School to view all connected organizational accounts. Next, locate the specific school account you wish to remove from your device. Click on the account entry to reveal additional options. You will then see a Disconnect button. Click this to initiate the removal process. This action will begin to separate your personal Windows profile from your school's organizational network and its associated policies. A warning message will appear, explaining the implications of removing the account. It's crucial to read this message carefully to understand what data or access might be affected. Once you are certain, click the Yes button to confirm the deletion. This step is irreversible, so ensure you have backed up any necessary files or information. Finally, verify that the school account no longer appears in the Access Work or School list. For a complete cleanup, you might consider manually removing any associated files or folders that were specific to that account. To ensure all changes take full effect and to clear any lingering cached data, it is highly recommended to restart your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.